Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Binance wallet QR code. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account, either through the mobile app or the website. Then, navigate to the Wallet section, which is typically found at the bottom of the app screen or in the top menu on the website. From there, you will select the deposit option to begin the process of finding your specific cryptocurrency QR code. Once you are successfully logged into your Binance account, locate the wallet icon. On the mobile app, this is usually at the bottom of your screen. If you are using the website, you will typically find it in the top navigation bar. After clicking or tapping Wallet, proceed to select the deposit option to move forward. Now, you will need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you intend to deposit. Use the search bar if needed. This is a crucial step. After selecting your crypto, you must then choose the correct network. For example, if you are sending Bitcoin, ensure you select the Bitcoin network. Always double-check that the network matches the one used by your sending wallet to avoid losing funds. After selecting both the cryptocurrency and its corresponding network, your unique Binance wallet QR code will be displayed on the screen. Alongside the QR code, you will also see your wallet address. You can either scan this QR code directly from another wallet or copy the address. Remember to always verify the address carefully before initiating any transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.